Hello, my name is Charlotte Capogna-Amias, and I'm the Assistant Director in the TRIO program at Westfield State. I'm also the person who oversees TRIO's professional tutoring services. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to schedule an appointment using the WSU 360 scheduling system that we use in my Westfield. You might be familiar with WSU 360 because it's the same system that professors use to send you feedback on how you're doing in your courses. So if you've ever received a kudos or a flag from one of your course instructors, this is the same system that you go into to read more about that kudos or that flag. The first thing that you're going to do to schedule an appointment is log into your My Westfield. Once you're on the homepage, you have a couple of places you can go to for scheduling an appointment. You can go over to the quick links, log into WSU 360 is the last option there, or you can go to the academics page, which is where we are right now. And right in the middle of the academics page, there's Student Success WSU 360. And there's a login button in navy blue right there. Once you click into the login button, you'll come to the page that's called My Success Network. On this page, you'll see a series of different programs that you have access to. You're going to click into the box for TRIO tutoring. So there's actually two TRIO boxes here, a general one about TRIO Student Support Services Program, but we're going to click into the second one that's specifically for TRIO's tutoring services. Click there. Next, you'll see the different team members, so our TRIO professional tutors, an overview of our tutoring services and policies. Then you'll see the tutors listed with the specific subjects that they tutor in. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to pretend that we're booking an appointment with Kaylee Furlano, our social sciences and study skills tutor. So you click on Kaylee's name. Next, you'll come to a page where you have the option to schedule an appointment. So we're going to click on that button. Next, you'll click on where it says TRIO Tutoring under What Do You Need Help With? And then you need to click the Tutoring button again. On the bottom right, you click the blue Continue button. And then next, it's going to load a series of days and times that the tutor is available for appointments. If none of these days or times work for you, you can click Show More Times and it will load additional future time options. So we're going to click on a time, click Continue. Next, we have the option, if we would like, to expand the duration of the tutoring appointment time. So it defaults to half-an-hour blocks. If you would like to change that to a 1-hour block, you can click on Change Duration. Please note that it's not going to give you this option if there is not a full hour available. So click Change Duration, switch it to 1 hour, and then save. And then you'll see that the time changed to a full 1-hour tutoring session. Next, we're going to write some details in the box that says, if you want, tell us a little bit about what's going on so we can help. So first, we're going to write a bit about what we need help with. You can make this as specific or as vague as you want to. Certainly, it helps the tutors if you give more detail so that they can prepare for your tutoring session fully. So I'm going to write something here. Okay. We also want you to note what type of appointment you would like. And we say this because during this time of the COVID pandemic, we are offering mainly video chat tutoring sessions or phone appointments. So I'm going to put here, I would prefer a video chat appointment. We've sent out other information and we also have posted on this Plato Resource Center more information about the video chat system that we use through Microsoft Teams. So we encourage you to view that video. We also ask, even if you would prefer to have a video chat appointment, that you list a good phone number to reach you on in case we're having any technical difficulties and need to reach you. So just to review, I put what I needed help with, I put what type of appointment I would prefer, and then I put a phone number in case the tutor is having any technical difficulties or difficulty reaching you so that they can give you a call. Next, you click Confirm. And there it shows you the person that you have a tutoring appointment with, the date and time of your appointment, your student note about what you would like help with, and if for some reason you need to make any changes to this appointment, like you want to switch the time or you want to cancel the appointment, you can go right there and make that change and it will give you those options there. So that's it. That's how you schedule an appointment using WSU 360. If you have any questions, you can always speak to your TRIO advisor or any TRIO staff member, and we would be happy to show you more details of how the system works. Thanks so much.